Hi there, a very good morning, good afternoon to all of you, depending on wherever you're watching me. This simply stocks, and I'm here with another video. And this time, this video corresponds to an agrochem company for which I have made videos over the last 4 or 5 years, and the stock has performed reasonably well consistently. I'm bringing that up. Let's get started. First of all, disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. I'm not in I'm not a member of the NSC and BSC, and that I am not a portfolio advisor. Whatever discussions with respects to markets and portfolio that I have or stocks that I have is purely on the basis of my experience into the market over the last 11, 12 years, and whatever decisions with respect to investments and trading you take, kindly take that on note that is laden with market risk, and kindly do consult your financial advisor. Now, before I talk about this company, here's a small request. Kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions, seek out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership on Patreon or on WhatsApp, you get a yearly membership, or you can be a member on YouTube. You get access to my portfolio analysis on different companies. One long-term pick every week since the market is down from the top. A discussion on domestic and global economies. You have discussions on global markets, as well as whatever queries that you're having. I would be happy to answer that. In order to discuss about this company, let me take you to the screener website. uh, the company in question is Sumitomo Chemicals. Now, interestingly, this company has come out with very strong numbers, yet the stock hasn't performed in the same manner. So the stock is around 520, 530, is down around 18, 17, 18%. Uh, from the top, a 26,000 crore market cap company trading at 50 PE, but the PE of 50 is not exorbitant for this company. So let's see what the company does basically. So it is one of the leading players in the industry, which has a balanced portfolio of technical as well as formulation products, along with backward integration for some products. So basically, they have all kinds of products for the agrochemical industry, and the product portfolio include, you have this glyphosate in there, then there is profenofos, and which is an insecticide, then tuberconazole, and there are many other products. In terms of geographical split, we have domestic, 80% of the business comes from India itself, and exports is around 20% of their business. So they are shielded from the export, you can say, vagaries that we are seeing, or uh, uh, volatility that we are seeing with respect to currencies, currency valuations, as well as business abroad not doing that well because economies abroad not doing that well. In terms of split with respect to products, insecticides contribute around 41%, herbicides is around 22%, and the plant growth regulators is around 10%, which has increased over the last 3 4 years. So generic products is around 70%, and 30% is the specialty products, which has higher margins and which they are trying to increase. So overall, the business is pretty robust. Now, if you look at the PE ratio of the stock, and this is a, you can say, whatever picks I bring to you is from a 3 year, at least minimum 2 to 3 year time frame to 5 year time frame. Now, if you look at from a PE point of view, 53 is its 5 year average PE, and currently the stock is trading at 54, 55 times. So very attractively priced at the moment. Not you can say not expensive in that regard. In terms of results, also they had around 970 crores of sales versus 900 crores of sales. That was jump of around 7 8%, but margins expanded from 21%. The margins has gone to 25%, which is which has been the erstwhile margin, say 3 4 years back. So even if you look at the consolidated numbers, the margins are same. And so what happened was, eventually the operating profit has gone up from 188 crores to 245 crores. That is a good jump of nearly 30%, and bottom line has also increased manifold. So 196 crores was the profit before tax. Last time around, it's around 260 crores, so a jump of 30% in here, and accordingly, the EPS has also expanded. What is also very interesting and good is that the promoter shareholding is pretty stable and strong at 75%. Yet DIIs have increased their holding from around 1.4, 1.5% 3 years back to around 3.5%. And FIIs have increased their holding from 1.5 to 3.5%. DII holding has remained stable around 7%, and public shareholding is only around 14.5%, in which 1.18% is with a large investor. So around 13%, 13.5% public shareholding or free float is in there. And that's why we see a lot of spike in the stock whenever there is a decent amount of buying. The stock moves up, as you see here, around 20-25% within few days. So this is a very good, you can say, uh, smaller mid cap company in the agrochem space that you can look at once the Indian economy picks up over the next year or so. The stock could really perform well. So a good 3 year pick in my, you can say, in my analysis. That's what come through. Do your own analysis as well. So this was a video on Sumitomo Chemicals. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.